Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan live stream. Let's start with Bitcoin. As you can see on my screen, I have Bitcoin daily chart. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Well, when Lambo? Well, now you are buying your Lambo. I'll be honest. Who said that? Robert. Yeah. So now you are buying your Lambo, buying the dip, dollar cost averaging the bottom, not at the top. Okay, let's leave the Lambo alone and let's see what we have today. So from yesterday we retested the EM. You can see the big EM, and we dumped exactly in 50% level, and we bounced a little bit, but the bounce, well, I just don't see it too strong. Let's just call it that way. For the moment, I'm still expecting 61.8 to be touched, 62, and then we'll reassess in that area. If we'll have the same weak bounce, well, we can go lower. So nothing changed after all on daily chart. We have a short from a lot higher. Who didn't manage to take that one yesterday had a chance to take the neckline retest on daily time frame. I posted even on Twitter. It's going down slowly, bleeding, doesn't matter how, but our area of interest first time will be long reload zone here. So 62 could tell us something. Pump chaser zone, well, you know, pump chaser zone is for strong markets, and we need more than that. We need a clear W on pump chaser zone. We need bullish divergence, everything to be correctly to the bullish side. And as you can see here on daily chart, well, okay, we have pump chaser zone, but nothing else. Look at the indicators. RSI accepted below 50. Yeah. OBV is making two lows here. So I just don't see pump chaser zone working here. Okay, so that's daily on Bitcoin. I don't think we can do anything else on Bitcoin. On 4-hour chart, we can go on the other template and let's see what we have. Well, kind of similar on 4-hour chart. Still same levels here. Let's look for some bullish divergence. Well, we have something on RSI here. So RSI is trying to tell us that the market is not so weak as we see on the chart. But the rest, well, you can see the OBV is just respecting the price action. And I don't think we can do anything until we'll see long reload zone. This short on 4-hour chart, daily chart is still valid. Stop loss here. I'm okay with keeping that short. Who doesn't want to hedge the entire thing and wants to make a free position there? You have 1-to-1 now, so you can close 50% and leave the stop loss all the way up. But I don't recommend that. I think if it's a hedge, let's keep it like that. Morning, Yopong. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's similar. You can see highest level well respected, but I don't see support here. We SFU this one, we bounced a little bit, but overall, for me, it's still lower highs and lower lows. I still think 3,200 is a good level, maybe even lower. It's a good level to watch and see maybe a potential reversal. Here, looking left, I just don't see the reversal. We retested a couple of times this on wake up check this one, but I don't see the strength in the market. We need more than that. You can see this level on the dot. Yeah, that's called a wake up check. We retested that level, we bounced a little bit, but I don't see usually when you get a wake up check, you get a retest and the market is reversing and is keep pushing higher. Well, I don't see it. So similar idea is Tuesday, but I prefer to wait here at 3,000, 3,200. You can scalp on the short side on Ethereum. If I'll put on the day trading part, if I'll put the Holy Grail, I think we can scalp to the short side. We have some levels with Holy Grail. Nothing else on Ethereum. Let's go on daily and let's see Bitcoin dominance. Well, Ken is happy, that's for sure. You can see Bitcoin dominance. We had this YAM breakdown retest, actually was just an AB equals CD, and now I think it's valid to think AB equals CD. An AB equals CD will point out exactly at 57%. Let's just do a test. Okay. Well, there you go. AB equals CD points out at this level. Looking left, it's a Wyckoff check here, and it's a good level to think retest of this high, and then if we'll accept above, the next level is 60%. If that will happen, well, there you go. If Bitcoin dominance will get to 60%, that's your altcoin dip, that's your capitulation candle. There you go. If you get to that level, then you know, well, hopefully you still have some cash, still have some cash to buy if you reach that level. I know some of us, some consistent members, you are happy that you got some fills, but don't over exaggerate, please. Yeah, keep some money, keep some dry powder for lower. We can go lower. Never to get 100% invested. You should have at least 10, 20, 25, 30%. Well, I'm not saying almost 40% like me, but at least 20% you still has to be in cash. We can go lower than we have now. Don't think this is the bottom. Let's imagine that Bitcoin is at 65 and we have some lower levels. What will happen with altcoins? Nice to see some fills. We don't know where we'll stop, how deep we'll go, so we'll dollar cost average, but keep some cash. Okay, Bitcoin dominance on daily looks strong. That's not a altcoin season, that's for sure. It's actually an altcoin season if you want to buy. If you want to buy altcoins, now is the altcoin season. Now you have discounts. And you can see we are back in the big short reload zone here. I'll adapt it. We took this one, we can push higher, that's for sure. And I think we'll push higher. We had this YAM here, was a clear one, breakdown, 1-to-1 hit, and then reversal. Now I'm pretty sure that an AB equals CD is the correct play here. After the AB equals CD will play out, well, I don't know. If you are thinking long on altcoins, similar stuff. Wait for a daily or 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's simple. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what we have on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we had a bounce here just to retest this initial YAM. And I said that, well, we are retesting that level. Everyone was bullish again. Well, Ethereum, ETFs, things, well, maybe. I don't see it. I didn't see Ethereum versus Bitcoin touching 61.8. We had kind of a V-top here on higher time frame. Untested levels here. Too many things pointing out that we need to retest at least 0.05. At least. And then even lower. If I'll put daily chart, well, look at this megaphone. Just look at it. We just rejected from 50% from the middle of the megaphone. That's why it's really important. I'll be honest, not my concept. I learned it from someone from TRI. Yeah, when I was in the battle station. I was young then, a couple of years ago, and someone was trading this pattern. Really nice. I don't know if I get it 100%, but it's a valid way to see the megaphones. So this is the middle, and you can see how well respected it is. 1, 2, the third one never happened. The third one never happened. So the expanding volatility on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I think it's clear. But classically, we didn't touch 61.8. You think the market will reverse for this cycle without touching 61.8? I don't know. Okay, now let's look at DXY and let's see what we have. Stable, trying to retest 105.5. That's good. Stay there. Nice and clean. I love it to see that DXY is staying kind of stable. Okay, Bitcoin on weekly chart, let's take a look. We said we'll do, let's do that. It's hard and it's boring even for me, guys. It's boring to watch every time the weekly chart, but that's how you should behave in the market if you are a professional trader. You are here to make an overview and then go on lower time frame, find some setups and make some money. But start with the overview so you know where you are in the market. Bitcoin, you can see. We confirmed that 3-bar fractal like we said yesterday. Now we have a 3-bar fractal top confirmed. And we traded below, it's active. That doesn't mean I should take exactly that level. Well, you can see the market is bouncing a little bit and we can frame some setups. But we have a confirmed 3-bar fractal top on Bitcoin. That's for sure. So do what you want with this 3-bar fractal. It's up to you. It's kind of a triple double top and you have a 3-bar fractal confirmed on weekly. Well, it will help you. So let's see what will happen. We are waiting for this candle to confirm us the 3-bar fractal. From now on, we can get a bounce, and if we'll get a bounce higher, I don't know, 67 or something like that, that will be like a gift to get a short. We are short from higher levels, so who is not short could take a short, but personally, I will not add to my short. I have everything I need in that bounce here. At 69.70, this was my area. I said if the market will bounce, I'll short and I'll hedge and I'll protect my spot portfolio. And I did that. And I told publicly, I showed it on YouTube, on Twitter, on Discord. I protect my capital. If market will go down to 52, maybe lower, I'm okay. I will not lose money. Now, you can frame it on lower time frames. Here to take the entire window of risk, 64 to 72, well, I don't know, $8,000 window of risk, not my favorite. Okay, total Q, it's similar. You can see if we'll go a bit lower, then we'll confirm this big M. Total Q, similar stuff. You can see it's at the neckline of the M. Ugly if you look at this one. Some people will hope for a bounce here. Okay, but you don't have support here. Support is all the way down here. Unfortunately, you have just this neckline. Will hold? I don't know. Okay, that's the overview. If you have any requests, please type in the chat ticker in the time frame and I'll gladly take a look. By the way, if you like the content, only if you like the content, please hit that like button. And if you don't like the content, please hit that dislike button. I don't mind. Okay, so let's go on the day trading part and I'll start with Bitcoin. Well, on 4-hour chart, you can see this trend channel. Pretty nice and clean trend channel. We can count on this one to be respected until we'll stop being respected. That's 4-hour overview. I don't see anything bullish here. Actually, I see a bearish divergence on RSI here. You can see on MACD. You can see high, higher high, high, lower high. Same on OBV. So in that pump, in that bounce, we created a bearish divergence here. It's that simple. 1-hour chart. Let's see what we have. Well, it's all over the place. Yesterday, before I managed to, I stopped live streaming in the New York session. I let Stefan, I had something to do. I said something about this level. We are here and we are waiting for an SFU. Didn't get that fucking SFU. You can see, market bounced exactly just above that level. And I managed to take this short. Same principle, same concept. I took this one, SFU, up, back down, close on 5-minute chart below the SFU level, and I took my trade. I didn't post it on Discord because Stefan already had a similar trade, so it was the same trade. I didn't want people to take 2 trades to double the risk. And you can see, nice and clean. And now pump chaser, dump chaser zone, actually, let's call it correctly. Dump chaser zone, we have the head and shoulder pattern and we're breaking down. Simple as that. Overall, lower highs, lower lows. Let's see what will happen. But you should think on day trading part, you should think you had the bounce on Bitcoin. Now you should think lower. If you can frame a setup, that could be a classic setup. I don't know if I will take it. I have to look deeper, but this could be something. I think it's valid. Let's see if you have bearish divergence here. That's my main focus. If I have a bearish divergence between the shoulder and the head, that's confirming. Well, there you go. Classic. MACD, RSI, I don't see the OBV. Let me check it. Well, not on OBV. But you can see bearish divergence here. Clear head and shoulder pattern. Breaking down, retesting the neckline as we speak. And who knows, maybe it will go down. Don't risk too much. It's a 5-minute chart. It's a scalp. It's a day trade. 0.5% is more than enough on something like this. If you are a day trader, if you are a swing trader, don't touch things like that. Stay on the overview on 4-hour chart and wait. Okay. Similar stuff on Ethereum. Now you can see the trend line. Let me go on, I don't know, 15-minute chart I think is best for Ethereum. And you can see we can still play the SFU on Ethereum. We didn't took that low. Same concept. Breaking below, reclaiming, and you have your window of risk and you can trade. Look at that initial trend line, well respected. You can think bullish if you get a clear W the other side of the trend line. This long reload zone and everything here is still valid. Why? Because we didn't break below. If we'll touch SFU level, then the long reload zone will be invalid. So here, SFU to the upside, you can think, take this level and think short reload zone, so you cannot short here. I don't recommend it here. It's steep, and if it's a weak down, it's a strong downtrend, this will be it. We can dump from here. You can see Wyckoff check here. Let me show you the level. Well, Wyckoff check and breaking down. It's possible, but it's hard to trade. You can trade with Holy Grail if you want. Okay, let's go on higher time frame, I think 4-hour chart, and let's see the rest of the altcoins. If I'll see something interesting, I'll go on lower time frame. Okay, so 4-hour chart, Solana, still a valid long reload zone. Will hold? I don't know. I think we'll retest the lows here. Just my 2 cents. I don't see anything. You can see we have long reload zone. We had kind of a bullish signal here on indicators, but we are pushing lower. If Bitcoin will drop, Solana will follow, as for sure. So for a reversal or for a long idea, well, first level, I'll be honest, without seeing any structure, this will be my level. I'll just put it here, not the other, just the first one, and I'll put the long FU. If the market will come here, break down, and then reclaim on lower time frame, I'll take a long. I could take a shot. If market will just drop straight down, well, next bus. BNB, just reaching the long reload zone and bouncing. You can see here, look left, support and resistance. It's enough? I don't think so. I'll wait for a clear setup. And keep in mind, when you are putting a swing trade or a day trade on BNB, it's kind of a stable coin. So you can lock some money there and nothing you can do. You have to wait until will go in your stop loss or your take profit. So when you put a trade, be careful. Could take a long time to... Well, Doge. We tried here. We failed with that LJ, and now we're just waiting. You can see the market is just tagging the trend line in the long reload zone and lower. Until I'll see a clear W or something to give me a sign, no. I'll just wait. And I don't see signs on 4-hour chart. I don't think we are ready yet. We can go lower. You can see the support. It's a lot lower. Hey, Rocco. FET. Well, it's coming home, guys. It's coming home. That's a good thing. Everyone was bullish here. Well, Fed will be the best thing. We'll go to the moon. And I said, no. We have bearish divergence here. You can see that. And well, this was a shorting opportunity, and I missed it. I'll show you why. Yeah, I missed it because never touched the short reload zone, motherfuckers. And now this is our short reload zone. We can bounce there, but I don't see. Here we can form something. We can go sideways, but I don't think will be enough. Just imagine this is the buy the rumor, sell the news. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, they'll become a new coin, double the supply. Okay, it will be the best thing ever. But buy the rumor, sell the news, and I think we can go back down where the POC is. If you'll put the POC here, you'll see the POC is all the way down here. It's not here in the top. Investors are not investing here. Smart money are not buying at $1.2, and neither are I. I'll start the dollar cost averaging here at 78.6 probably. I'm not touching this one. I have it on my personal plan. I'm not sharing with anyone, but a lot lower. Not here. $1.2 now. Is not mine. I prefer to miss entirely this thing than to chase there. Well, Matic, like I said, don't touch it, is weak. And I still consider this 1 week. We can take the lows, we can bounce a little bit and then go even lower. I don't see setups on a lower time frame. Well, Dimension, probably 88.6 will give us a nice bounce. I don't see it for the moment. We had a, if I'll go on 5 or 50 minute chart, 5 minute chart, you can see the Dalai Lama, but was played out already and pretty aggressively. You can see down, bounce back here, maybe 1 minute, 2 minute W here, maybe. I don't think it's a good idea to long here. So didn't give us anything. Straight down, fill some orders, straight up, and we can consolidate here and we can push lower. It's too late for me to think, well, I'll scalp Dimension here. The best thing I can do if I'm bullish here, well, let me show you. It's that simple. Retest at least 61.8 and then we can play. We can play the Mountain Man, we can play the Shark setup, we can play whatever you want. But here, don't chase it. Don't chase altcoins here. And a lot of them, they're looking similar on 5 minute chart. You can see. Yeah? This one M'd out already. Pixel. Similar. M's. I don't like M's there. If you want to take a short and you consider it's a good location, I'll prefer to hunt a short idea with low risk than to hunt long ideas here. If you are thinking Dalai Lama at this point in time, okay, let it dump a little bit and take the after a 50% retracement, wait for the next W. Against these yams here, I don't think it's a good idea. You can see yam, nah, not a good idea. But on this one, we had a nice W here on 5 minute chart. That played out a 3-1. So some of them give us a nice Dalai Lama. Let me see if we had that 2-1 risk to reward. Okay, this is the first W on Dalai Lama. Come on. Let's see. Well, 2.5, 2.9, almost 3-1. Well, definitely a 2-1 there. But that's gone. It's done. You had the W breakout retest. You can enter at the retest. You had 2.5, 2-1. Now we end out. We should wait for the next setup. Stefan will join us in a live stream in half an hour. So probably Stefan will hunt more setups here in this area. Okay. Any requests, guys? Let's take a look at Tau on higher time frame because I see on NOT. Well, you can go on daily chart for NOT. And on daily chart, you can see where are the neckline of this big gap. I don't think it's a good idea to touch it here. I was on my list. I had a trade here. No. Okay. Next level is here and lower. It's not shiny anymore. You know what I say. It was shiny, was new. Everyone was bullish. It's not shiny anymore. It's fading away. it needs to find the bottom. And let's look at Tao. Let's see Tao on a weekly chart. Okay. Oh, what happened? I don't think Binance is the best. No? Maxi. I think that's that. Okay. I have some here. And you can see we touched 61.8 and we are going lower. 78.6, $190. We can go at $120 at 88.6, retesting of this initial W. Definitely. Look at Bitcoin, it's 66. If Bitcoin will drop, then we can get Stefan is waiting here. I don't know if you'll get his level. Probably yes, and maybe even lower, but that's a different discussion. I don't recommend to start investing in Tao here. I'll be honest. Come on, let's be real. Let's look at this one. AB equals CD, alt AB equals CD. Okay, all-time high, $800. Now it's $300. It's enough? No. For my taste, no. For me, it's high. It's too much here. I have it in the last chance challenge, this one. Starting dollar cost averaging here, okay. But if I want to really invest with big amounts and Tao is the best one, well, Stefan is right this time. Below 78.6, it's your level. It's that simple. It's just too much here. Yeah, you can buy 61.8, you can buy lower, you can do whatever you want, but I don't consider this one ready yet. We had the move up, nice and clean, showed us that it's bullish, showed us that it's strong. Now go back down, do another weekly W in a nice zone, and we can discuss investing. Now you can see RSI fight it at 50, lose that level. We have some M's even starting to form in an OBV. Usually in these strong coins, OBV is holding here. So the price is going down, but OBV is holding. If we'll see M's, well, we can see lower levels on price, that's for sure. Okay, I blabbed away half an hour. Ken, what you say? What time frame you want? I have time. Well, you can see here, nothing new. Nothing new, Ken. Nice location for this one. Well, you can see. Channel, breakout, retest. 88.6, 78.6 here. You can see 44 cents, 4 and something. Yeah, good level. You want to think where you should think reversal? Well, I think you should wait for an AB equals CD here. We are on that road. And that AB equals CD showed us this will happen. So, it's okay to start dollar cost averaging on this one, but nothing special. You don't see reversal here on weekly. You don't see W's. Look at this one. Come on. Look at this one. Look how nice it was. You want something like this. And you don't have something like this for the moment. AB equals CD show us that, well, we'll retest these levels. Well, at that point in time, if you'll see a W similar to this one, you can use little old lady with all the confidence. Dollar cost averaging, you can start from now on if you are monthly dollar cost averaging, like we are doing on last chance challenge. Yeah, it's a difference. If you are on weekly, that means you are in a hurry. You are trying to get the bottom, but you are buying weekly, every week. If you are doing like us, every month, same amount of money, you have time. Your plan says couple of months, like we have on last chance challenge, at least 6 months to dollar cost average. I don't see why I should, I don't know, sell my house and buy here. But 78.6, it's a good level and lower. AB equals CD, I think will be hit this time. Nothing special. Everything looks similar, unfortunately, or fortunately. Okay, guys, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, hit that unlike button. And in half an hour, we'll post a new live stream with Stefan. day trading from VIP. We'll be live on YouTube, so join Stefan. I'll post the link on Discord. I'll post the link on Twitter. Not too many things to do. Keep in mind, it's Tuesday. It's pretty quiet on the news. I don't see anything special. High impact. I saw 2 news. Well, you can see. Well, something. Altcoins, I'll discuss next time. Some meme coins are getting back in the original place. That's good. That's good. It's a good way to reload. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the New York. Will be free for all members. So see you in the New York or in half an hour with Stefan in day trading part. Bye bye.